This is Uma Shankar. Welcome to Sri Chaitanya. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, my friends, ఇదివరకు నేను చెప్పినట్టు in our previous video already I promised you to give 3 mock tests and 6 grand tests. Of that, this is the third mock test. Actually, that concepts I have explained in one of our previous videos. My suggestion is please watch our videos and subscribe it, share it, and read the content given in the description. There in the description I have given all the links. Actually, previously I asked your mobile numbers, not necessary. There by taking somebody's suggestions, there I am giving the links of mock test 1, 2, 3 or even coming tests also. In the description box I have given that information for you. Please don't forget to watch that description box and read all the necessary information in description box. Also you will get the previous videos. Okay, my friends. Yeah, actually this is the mock test prepared on these particular topics. Topics are what? Complex numbers, permutations and combinations, probability, ellipse, hyperbola, indefinite integrations, definite integrations, progressions, maxima, minima, tangent and normal, vectors 3D, reasoning. This is sets, relations and reasoning. Actually, reasoning part 1 I am talking about it. Differential equations and matrices and determinants. Total how many topics are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 topics are there. Guarantee 13 questions, 13 into 4. That is 12 and that is 52 marks. Minimum 52 marks. Just if you are concentrating on these topics only, you can get more than 50 marks guarantee. That too, due to choice, you may get more than that also. So either you stick on to, if you are a slow learner, if you are not getting confidence in preparation of mathematics, so my suggestion would be either you stick on to the contents mentioned in our mock test 1. Mock test 1 లో ఉన్నటువంటి టాపిక్స్ మీదన్నా కానీ ఆర్ కన్ఫైన్ టు కంటెంట్స్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద మాక్ టెస్ట్ 2, మాక్ టెస్ట్ 2లో ఉన్నటువంటి టాపిక్స్ మీద కానీ ఆర్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఇన్ మాక్ టెస్ట్ 3 కంటెంట్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ సాల్వ్డ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, నువ్వు ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నిటిని కరెక్ట్గా సాల్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే డెఫినెట్గా యూ విల్ గెట్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. And out of 100 you will score minimum 50 plus marks confidently. Okay, the same thing if you are following in physics and chemistry, so out of 300 you can get more than 150. With that score you will get good percentile and thereby all India good rank also in coming JEE main February session. Okay, I am doing my trial level best services for you. Please don't misuse this opportunity. So again I am telling, for check the description for mock test 3 link. Already in our for previous videos also, you please check the description. There I have mentioned the mock test 1 and mock test 2 links also. Okay, so my friends, in this mock test, actually here the collection of the questions are very very important. So this is the new pattern of JEE main examination. కొత్త మోడల్, ఇప్పుడు రేపు జరగబోయేటువంటి కొత్త మోడల్ ప్రకారం ఈ ప్యాటర్న్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసింది. సెక్షన్ ఏ, సెక్షన్ బి. సెక్షన్ ఏలో 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1 to 20 ఆర్ స్ట్రైట్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్. For right answer you will get 4 marks, and for wrongly attempted question -1 mark will be awarded. If you are not attempted, 0 mark, nothing. So okay, so first 20 questions, 4 - 1 is there, and remaining section 2, section B, that is section B, that is from question number 21 to 30, 10 questions are there. There you have to answer only 5 out of 10. You have to answer, you have to any 5 you have to attempt. Okay, like that only they are preparing the software. Okay, my friends, after this question paper immediately I am giving the key and solutions also. Please download that one, and even in coming examinations also I am giving a daily for concepts and shortcuts tips also. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. This is very very important. Actually these coming కంటిన్యూస్లీ వచ్చేటువంటి 20 రోజులు 30 రోజులు కంటిన్యూస్ రెగ్యులర్గా రోజుకు ఒక అరగంట సేపు అయినా సరే, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ అండ్ వాచింగ్ మై ఛానల్, యూ విల్ గెట్ very good benefit, and with the tips that I am giving for you, especially in this section and in this juncture, are very very useful for you. Okay, my friends, now coming to the question paper. Now I am reading the questions only. Here I am not giving the solutions everything, but solutions and everything you will get in the solution, in the link also you will get it. Okay, now coming to question number 1. If omega not equal to 1, be a cube root of unity, and 1 plus omega square whole power n is equal to 1 plus omega power 4 whole power n, then the least positive value of n is A2, B3, C5, D6. Now next, coming to second question. The center and radius of the circle given by mod of z minus alpha by z minus beta is equal to k, k not equal to 1, where z is equal to x plus iy, alpha is equal to alpha 1 plus I, alpha 2, beta equal to beta 1 plus I, beta 2. Options are center is equal to alpha minus k square beta by 1 minus k square, radius is equal to k into mod of alpha minus beta by 1 minus k square. B, center is equal to alpha minus k beta by 1 minus k square, radius is equal to 2k into mod of alpha minus beta by 1 mod of 1 minus k square. C, center is equal to alpha minus k square beta by 1 minus k square, radius is equal to 3k into mod of alpha minus beta by mod of 1 minus k square. D, center is equal to alpha minus 2k square beta by 1 minus k square, radius k into mod of alpha minus beta by mod of 1 minus alpha k square. Now coming to third question, a 5-digit number divisible by 3 is to be formed using the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. The total number of ways in which this can be done is A, 216, B, 240, C, 600, D, 3125. Next, fourth question. The letters of the word Cochin are permitted, and all the permutations are arranged in an alphabetical order as in an English dictionary. The number of words that appear before the word Cochin is A, 360, B, 192, C, 96, D, 88. And fifth question. The equation 2x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 18y plus 35 is equal to k represents A, no locus for if k greater than 0, an ellipse if k less than 0, C, a point if k equal to 0, D, a hyperbola if k greater than 0. Now coming to the sixth question. Sixth question is the area of the quadrilateral formed by the tangents at the ends of the points of latus rectum to the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 5 equal to 1 is A, 27 by 4 square units, B, 9 square units, C, 27 by 2 square units, D, 27 square units. Now coming to question number 7. Consider an infinite geometric series with the first term A and common ratio R. If its sum is 4 and the second term is 3 by 4, then option A equal to 4 by 7, R equal to 3 by 7, B, A equal to 2, R equal to 3 by 8, C, A equal to 3 by 2, R is equal to 1 by 2, D, A equal to 3, R is equal to 1 by 4. Now coming to 8th question. In the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, delta equal to b square minus 4ac and alpha plus beta comma alpha square plus beta square comma alpha cube plus beta cube are in GP. They are in GP, where alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then options A, delta not equal to 0, B, b delta equal to 0, C, c delta equal to 0, D, delta equal to 0. Now coming to question number 9. If f r to r be any function, define g r to r by g of x is equal to mod of f of x for all x. Then g is A, onto if f is onto, B, 1 1 if f is 1 1, C, continuous if f is continuous, D, differentiable if f is differentiable. Now coming to 10th question. If alpha x is equal, if f of x is equal to alpha x by x plus 1 where x not equal to minus 1, then for what value of alpha is f of x is equal to x? For what value of alpha is f of x is equal to x? A, root 2, B, minus root 2, C, 1, D, minus 1. Now coming to question number 11. If p equal to 2 by 2 matrix, root 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, comma root 3 by 2, and A equal to again 2 by 2 matrix, 1 1 0 1, and Q equal to P A P square, P A P transpose, sorry, and X is equal to P transpose Q power 2005 P, then X is equal to option A, 2 by 2 matrix 1 2005 0 1, B, 4 plus 2005 root 3 6005 15, 2005 4 minus 2005 root 3, C, 1 by 4 into 2 plus root 3 1 minus 1 2 minus root 3, D, 1 by 4 into matrix 2005 2 minus root 3 2 plus root 3 2005. Now coming to question number 12. Given 2x minus y plus 2 lambda equal to 2, x minus 2y plus lambda plus z is equal to minus 4, x plus y plus lambda z is equal to 4. Once again, given 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 2, x minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 4, x plus y plus lambda z is equal to 4. Then the value of lambda such that the given system of equation has no solution, the given system of equation has no solution is option A 3, B 1, C 0, D minus 3. Now coming to question number 13, the Boolean expression P and negation Q, P or negation Q and Q and negation P and Q is equivalent to P and P or Q, P or negation Q, C negation P and Q, D P and negation Q. Once again, P and negation Q or Q or negation P and Q is equivalent to P or Q, B P or negation Q, C negation P and Q, D P and Q. The area enclosed between the curves y equal to ax square and x is equal to ay square where a greater than 0 is 1 square unit. Then the value of a is, a 1 by root 3, b 1 by 2, c 1, d 1 by 3. Now 15th question, integration log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x whole square whole power square dx is equal to option A log x by log x whole square plus 1 plus c, b x by x square plus 1 plus c, c x e square by 1 plus x square plus c, d x by log x whole square plus 1 plus c. Now 16th question, the integration secant square x dx by secant x plus tan x whole power 9 by 2 is equal to some where k is for some arbitrary constant k. Option is A minus 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2 into 1 by 11 minus 1 by 7 into secant x plus tan x whole square plus k. B 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2 into 1 by 11 minus 1 by 7 secant x plus tan x whole square plus k. C minus 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2 into 1 by 11 plus 1 by 7 into secant x plus tan x whole square plus k. D 1 by secant x plus tan x whole power 11 by 2 into 1 by 11 plus 1 by 7 secant x plus tan x whole square plus k. 17th question, if x square plus y square is equal to 1, then option A y dash minus 2 y dash whole square plus 1 equal to 0, B y dash plus y dash whole square plus 1 equal to 0, C y dash y double dash plus y dash whole square minus 1 equal to 0, D y double dash plus 2 y dash whole square plus 1 equal to 0. Once again, option C A y double dash minus 2 y dash whole square plus 1 equal to 0, B y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 1 equal to 0, C y double dash plus y dash whole square minus 1 equal to 0, D y double dash plus 2 y dash whole square plus 1 equal to 0. Now coming to question number 18. Evaluate the following. Integration root of 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x dx. Option A minus 2 root 1 minus x plus cos inverse of root x into root 1 minus x plus c. B minus of root 1 minus x plus cos inverse of root x into root 1 minus x plus c. C minus 2 to root of 1 minus x plus cos inverse of root of 1 minus 2x into root of 1 minus x plus c. D minus root 1 minus x plus 2 cos inverse of root x into root 1 minus x plus c. Now consider the curves c1 equal to x square, c1 y square is equal to 4x, c2 x square plus y square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Then option A c1 and c2 touch each other at only 1 point. B c1 and c2 touch each other exactly at 2 points. C c1 and c2 intersect but do not touch at exactly 2 points. D c1 and c2 neither intersect nor touch each other. Now coming to question number 20, the function f of x is equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x increases if option A 0 less than x less than pi by 8, B pi by 4 less than x less than 3 pi by 8, C 3 pi by 8 less than x greater than 5 pi by 8, and D 5 pi by 8 less than x less than 3x by 4. These are the first 20 questions. Right objective carries 4 marks and for wrong attempted -1. And here now 20 to 30 questions are 10 questions. You need to write only any 5 questions. You have to write any 5 only to answer. Any 5 only to answer. So here 10 questions are there. Select any best 5 questions which are known for you. There is no negative mark, so this is very, very useful for you. Each carries 4 marks and no negative marks. Now coming to 21 question, the least value of a belongs to R for which 4ax square plus 1 by x greater than or equal to 1 for all x greater than 0. For all x greater than 0 is 1 by k, then k equal to dash. Now 22nd question, the area bounded by the curve y equal to root x comma 2y plus 3 equal to x and x-axis in the first quadrant is dash square units. 23rd, the primitive of the integral equation y dx plus y square dy equal to x dy where x belongs to R and y greater than 0 and y equal y of x and y of 1 equal to 1, then y of minus 3 equal to dash. Okay, equal to dash. Now, 24th problem. The integration 0 to 1.5 step of x square, where step denotes the greatest integer function, is equals to k. Then k into L equal to dash, where L is conjugate of k. Where L is what? Conjugate of k. Next, 25th. If n greater than 0, integration 0 to 2 pi, x sine inverse of sine power 2nx by sine power 2nx plus cos power 2nx dx is equal to k, then step k is equal to dash, where step denotes the greatest integer function. Okay, now coming to 26th question. The non-zero x, if for non-zero x, a f of x plus b f of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x minus 5, where a not equal to b, then integration 1 to 2 f of x dx is equal to 1 by a square minus b square into a into log 2 minus 5 plus lambda b by 2, then lambda equal to dash. Next, 27th question. If capital A bar, comma B bar, comma C bar are be vectors of lengths 3, 4, 5 units, let A bar be the perpendicular to B bar plus C bar, and B bar is C bar perpendicular to C bar plus A bar, and C bar is perpendicular to A bar plus B bar, then the length of the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to k, then step k equal to dash, where step is the greatest integer function. Now coming to 28th question. If determinant a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube equal to 0, then the vectors capital A bar is equal to 1 a square b, 1 b square c, 1 c square are non-coplanar, then the product of a, b, c equal to dash. Next, 29th question. The box contains 100 tickets numbered 1, 2, 3 and 200. 2 tickets are chosen at random. It is given that the maximum number of number on the 2 chosen tickets is not more than 10. The minimum number of them is 5. Then the probability is 1 by k. Then k plus 1 equal to dash. Okay. Now coming to the last question, 30th question. So if 2 events A and B are such that probability of A complement is equal to 0.3, probability of B equal to 0.4, and probability of A intersection B complement is equal to 0.5. Then probability of B by A union B complement is equal to 1 by k, then k plus 2 equal to dash. So my friends, these are the questions in this question paper. I have read all the questions very carefully. The thing is, questions are very, very important. If possible, the direct questions may come in any one of the coming examinations from 23rd onwards. ఏవో ఒక ఎగ్జామ్లో డెఫినెట్గా ఈ మోడల్స్ అన్నా వస్తాయి, యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కన్నా వస్తాయి. ఐఎమ్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్. అండ్ అనదర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ the concepts behind the questions are very, very important. So you please find the links in the description. There I have given all the links for mock test 1, 2 and 3 very carefully. Before going to solve this paper, first allot the 1 hour time, ఖచ్చితంగా 1 hour time పెట్టుకొని సాల్వ్ చేయండి. You solve all the problems carefully. Once after completion of the examination only, you please watch the or check your key and solutions. There for each and every question, under each and every question I have mentioned the concept behind the question. Every question I have given the concepts like this. So for example, the first question is there. So here I have mentioned what? The least value of n by using cube roots of unity. This kind of questions, this kind of framing questions several times in JEE main were repeated. Like that, this question, the entire question paper, the questions and the concepts behind the questions are very, very important. Please don't misuse this, and please like and subscribe and share our channel. Okay, in the description box everything is there. Okay, please utilize it. Once after this, in coming videos, I will give 2 concepts and some of the shortcuts, and simultaneously I will in every video I am providing some of the question papers also for you, and soon I am going to give 4 to 5 grand tests like this. Please solve them thoroughly. 100% you should get very good marks in coming JEE mains examinations. Okay my friends, thank you.